Rest.
Relax. Sit down. Sleep.
Separate.
Divide. Take apart. Dismantle.
Site.
Location. Place. Spot.
Trouble.
Problem. Difficulty. Struggle.
Asleep.
Sleeping. Snoozing. Napping.
Collect.
Gather. Accumulate. Group. Assemble.
Compete.
To try to be better than someone. Race. Contest.
Conversation.
Talk. Chat. Dialogue.
Creature.
Any living thing.
Forest.
Jungle. Woodland.
Marry.
Become husband and wife. Wed.
Spend.
Use. Pass. Take up.
Strange.
Abnormal. Odd. Peculiar.
Truth.
Fact. Reality. Honesty.
Wake.
Rise. Get up. Arise.
Alone.
Only. Lonely. Isolated.
Apartment.
A set of rooms in a building. Flat.
Article.
Essay. Story.
Attitude.
Opinion. Feeling. Point of view.
Compare.
Draw a comparison between. Note the similarities between.
Judge.
To say if something is good or bad. Adjudicate.
Magazine.
Journal. Periodic publication.
Material.
Stuff. Substance. Matter.
Meal.
Something to eat. Victuals.
Method.
Way. Approach. Means.
Neighbor.
Adjacent. Next door.
Professional.
Qualified. Experienced. Skillful.
Profit.
The extra money you make. Financial gain. Advantage.
Quality.
How good something is. Standard. Caliber.
Shape.
Form. Model. Appearance.
Space.
An empty area. Expanse.
Stair.
The things that are used to go up. Stairway.
Symbol.
Sign. Representation. Token.
Thin.
Slim. Slender. Skinny.
Claim.
To say that something is true. State. Declare.
Blood.
The red liquid in your body.
Burn.
Set on fire. Ignite. Burst into flames.
Cell.
Prison. Jail. Dungeon.
Contain.
Include. Take in. Comprise. Consist of.
Correct.
Right. Accurate. Precise. Exact.
Crop.
Food that a farmer grows.
Demand.
Ask for. Request.
Equal.
The same. Alike. Like. Equivalent.
Feed.
Give food to. Nurture. Nourish.
Hole.
An opening in something.
Increase.
Make something larger or more. Enhance. Enlarge.
Lord.
Who has general authority over others. Noble. Duke.
Oh.
To have to give back something. Be in debt to.
Position.
Place. situation, location,
raise,
increase, escalate, lift,